In today's episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?
we will be writing a method that determines the highest pair of a given poker player's hand of cards.
Okay, but my parents will not let me play poker. And, what is poker?
Poker is a family of card games, where players form sets of 5 playing cards, called hands. Each hand belongs to a category, determined by the patterns formed by its cards. A hand in a higher ranking category always ranks higher than a hand in a lower ranking category. A hand is ranked within its category using the ranks of its cards. Individual cards are ranked from highest to lowest: ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. There are 311,875,200 ways to deal 5 cards from the deck, but only 2,598,960 distinct hands. Since hands differing only by suit are of equal rank, there are only 7,462 distinct hand ranks.
But I can't play poker.
Don't worry. For the purpose of this challenge, you won't need to know how to play poker. Your task is to write a method that receives a player's hand of cards, represented by an array of 5 strings, each string representing the value of a card. If your hand contains at least one pair, return the card value of the highest pair. Hands with 3 or more of the same card still count as containing a pair, as in this example. Our solution to the challenge utilizes a hash set and an array list. For each value in the incoming array, we attempt to insert it into a hash set. Because a hash set only accepts unique values, if the hash set already contains the value we're attempting to insert, we have a pair. We then determine whether the type of card we have is alphanumeric, meaning it's an ace, king, queen or jack, or a number. If it's alphanumeric, we insert the value into a character hash set, otherwise, we insert the value into a numeric hash set. We then evaluate whether the character hash set is empty. If it's not, we check for the existence of an ace, followed by a king, queen and then the jack. We return the first value found, in the order evaluated. If the character hash set is empty, we evaluate whether the numeric hash set is empty. If it's not, an array list is instantiated with the values from the numeric hash set. The array list is sorted, and the last value is converted to a string and returned to the caller. Finally, if no pairs were found, an empty string is returned to the caller. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Post your questions and comments below. If you have a better solution or have ideas for a challenge, let's hear about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode of
Wow! How'd you code that?